Hi, Daria Jackson Ligonier here of the New York Power Couple. Want to know how to download your leads from the My Lead Gen system? Well, stick around. I'm going to give you a step-by-step tutorial so that you will have your leads in your own possession. Okay, so I'm going to show you how you can download your leads in the My Lead Gen secret system. So I'm going to share my screen and get over there. All right, so here's my account. All right, these are the emails that I sent out so far. These are the click-through rates, which are going very well. All right, so what I'm going to do is go over to the tab where it says My Leads. And as you can see, these are all the leads that I got from the day that I've joined. So all you have to do is just click on this box here and it highlights all the leads and download my leads. And it's that simple. So you get a CSV file that you can use and you can upload into a autoresponder, which I highly recommend that you do a self-hosted autoresponder, because autoresponders like GetResponse and Aweber, when they see you uploading these amounts of leads on a daily basis, that could definitely serve as a red flag, and you do not want to put yourself in a position where they will close your account. Whereas you would want to do a self hosted, I'm trying to get back, where you want to do a self hosted account, and then that way you will be able to have total control of your account. You'll be able to upload as many leads as you want, send your leads wherever you want, and you don't have to worry about anybody blocking you or blocking your links. So what's happening now, for some people, they are getting blocked. So it's better for you to have a self-hosted autoresponder, and then you'll have total control and you can send whatever you want to these leads. All right, so now you know how to download your leads from the My Lead Gen system. So if you would like to get more information about the system, you would like to get the system for yourself, below this video there will be a link so that you can get your account started. Also, if you're watching this on YouTube, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you will be notified when I upload more videos giving you more information on how you can build your business online. So with that said, gotta run. See you in the next video. Have an amazing day. Peace.